In primetime news this evening.
If you have only 2 persons per shift covering an airport where maybe 300 or 400 passengers coming in, it simply means that at some given point in time, you are going to have reduced outputs.
NAJ questions adequacy of surveillance measures at the airports given the coronavirus threat. Vauxhall mourns. School community still in shock following teacher's murder. And 5 injured after gas explosion at Villa Road Primary and Junior High School in Mandeville. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, Janella, this weekend was a miserable one for several customers in Kingston and St. Andrew. Persons couldn't make calls and there was no internet. So telecommunications company Flow is in damage control mode. What they had to say in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jordan Ford for what's coming up in sports. Jordan.
Well, Herman, if there were any questions over the form of adrenaline sprint sensation Kevona Davis, well, she answered those questions emphatically over the weekend. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening's questions. What are your thoughts on Coffee winning the Grammy for her album Rapture?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.